I want to learn how to trade binary options and actually make smarter decisions in the market. Hi, I am Wealth and welcome to Wealth Light Trader. Here I teach simple and effective strategies for trading binary options, including how to read charts, spot supply and demand zones, and understand candlestick psychologies with other confirmations that make it to take trades accurately. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your trading skills, this channel will give you a step-by-step guidance, proven techniques, and the mindset you need to trade confidently. I break down complex concepts so you can trade smarter, not harder. So if you want to master binary options trading and take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and join me on Wealth Light Trader. Let's start trading smarter.